Irrigation. Irrigation is a term used in agriculture and gardening to describe the process of artificially supplying water to plants or crops in order to support their growth and development. It involves the controlled application of water to the soil, usually through various techniques such as sprinklers, drip systems, or flood irrigation. The primary purpose of irrigation is to ensure that plants receive an adequate amount of water, especially in areas where rainfall is insufficient or unreliable. By providing water directly to the roots, irrigation helps plants absorb necessary nutrients and minerals from the soil, which are essential for their survival and productivity. Here are a few examples of irrigation techniques. 1. Sprinkler irrigation. This method involves the use of sprinklers, which distribute water over a designated area in a manner similar to rainfall. Sprinklers can be above ground or mounted on low-level risers. They are commonly used in lawns, gardens, and large agricultural fields. 2. Drip irrigation. In this technique, water is delivered directly to the plant's roots through a network of pipes or tubing with small emitters or drippers. Drip irrigation is highly efficient and minimizes water loss due to evaporation or runoff. It is often used in vegetable gardens, orchards, and flower beds. 3. Flood irrigation. This traditional method involves flooding the entire field or garden with water. It is commonly used in rice paddies and areas with fertile soil that can retain water for extended periods. Flood irrigation can be done manually by diverting water from a nearby source or through the use of irrigation channels and gates. 4. Center pivot irrigation. This technique is commonly used in large-scale agricultural fields. It involves a long, rotating arm with sprinklers attached to it. As the arm rotates around a central pivot point, it distributes water evenly across the field. Center pivot irrigation is efficient and can cover a large area. 5. Subsurface irrigation. This method involves placing perforated pipes or tubes beneath the soil surface to deliver water directly to the plant's root zone. The water seeps out slowly, providing moisture where it is needed most. Subsurface irrigation is often used in areas with limited water availability or in water-sensitive environments. Irrigation plays a crucial role in ensuring food security, maintaining landscapes, and sustaining ecosystems in regions where natural water resources are insufficient. It allows farmers and gardeners to optimize water usage, enhance crop yields, and create favorable conditions for plant growth.